Hindi, dalawa lang. Hindi, yung set na color white, only to lang nakamine. Sino yung first two? Hindi, yung set. First two set lang nakamay ng white. Ma'am Austin Carr, Ma'am Lily Sabangan nakamay ng dalawang set na puti. Tapos yung yung blouse lang. Hindi, yung blouse lang, Marian.
ที่วางอยู่ตรงเนี้ยที่เห็นอยู่น่ะ
Si Ma'am Maripel Oris, Ma'am Len Cassandra din.
เดซี่อ่ะ
Kaya nga, ilan nga? Apat, pati si Ma'am Maripel Oris. Okay. Si Ma'am Lily tsaka si Ma'am Austin Cardo nakamain. Tapos si Ma'am Joyce Mendoza, main daw siya ng white top tsaka Hello Kitty black pants.
Okay.
Kasama si Ma'am Maripel ha. Ito si Ma'am Joyce Mendoza, one more. Si Ma'am Joyce Mendoza, one set, like this, black pants. Si Ma'am Joyce Mendoza, ganito daw siya. Black and white, Ma'am Joyce Mendoza. Ma'am Joyce Mendoza, white and black sa'yo, Ma'am Joyce. Tapos yung suot ko po si Ma'am Jasmine Kayanan, one denim set. Alam mo music, babe?
ที่เราสีกาวชุดนึง
Si Ma'am ano to? Si Ma'am Jasmine Kayanan, denim blue, one more set. Ma'am Jasmine, babe, isa na itong denim set.
Then, one more thing.
วันเดนิม
Si Ma'am Tariray Jo, Hello Kitty, dark denim top only. Ma'am, yours dark denim. Ma'am Tariray Jo,
ตัวเสื้อสีกาว
only top. Ma'am Tariray Jo, yours. Thank you, Ma'am Tariray Jo. Yours na po si Hello Kitty, dark. Si Ma'am Yen daw kung hindi siya nakaabot ng white. Hello Kitty, denim na lang daw. One set denim. Si Ma'am Yen, one set denim. Okay, Ma'am Yen.